Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing about how to create a local area network in Cisco Packet Tracer. Now for creating a local area network we will need a switch and some generic personal computers. Now for the switch we can go to the tray at the bottom part of the Cisco Packet Tracer window, and from there we will select the first one that comes in the list, that is the 296024TT switch, and then we will use the generic PCs that we will get just beside the network devices in the tray just above the switch tray. So in the end devices tray we will get the first one as the generic PC, and that we will select and draw it here. So I will be using 4 generic PCs, so we have to do this 4 times. We will select the generic PC here, and then we will just click on the screen and the generic PC will be generated. Now the devices have been set up. Now what we need to do is to set up the connection. So for that we will be needing the copper straight through wire. Okay, so here first we have to click on the switch, and then we have to select the first Ethernet 0x1. Then we will click on the PC, and from there we will select the first Ethernet 0. So the connection can be made between first Ethernet of the switch and first Ethernet of the PC. Similarly we will do the connections for rest of the PCs. So we will select the wire, click on the switch, then first Ethernet 0x2, and then on the PC first Ethernet 0. Similarly the third one, first Ethernet 0x3, first Ethernet 0, and finally the last one, first Ethernet 0x4, and then first Ethernet 0. So the connections have been made. Now you can see that these 3 points are showing that they are not currently active, or their connections may have some problem. So for solving this we need to just fast forward the time. See, we have fast forward the time, and you can see that the connections are perfect now. Now what we will do, we will just input some IP addresses in the PCs. So first of all, the first PC, we will just click on the PC, then we will go to desktop and then IP configuration. Now what we will do, we will enter an IP address whatever we want. So I will do 10.1.1.1, and we will click on the subnet mask and it will automatically be entered. Now I will close this window. Then I will do the same for PC1. I will go to desktop. I will go to IP configuration. I will enter an IP 10.1.1.2, and then I will click on the subnet mask and it will automatically be entered. Similarly for the third PC, desktop, and then IP configuration, I will enter an IP address 10.1.1.3. The subnet mask will automatically be entered. And finally the last PC, desktop, IP configuration, IP address 10.1.1.4, and the subnet mask will automatically be entered. Now I will check whether my connections are okay or not. So for that what I will do, again I will click on this. I will just do what, I will go to this PC and I will ping PC3 from this PC to see whether our connection is alright or not. Okay, so I will go here, I will click, and then I will go to command prompt, and then I will write ping. Now if you can remember, I had entered the IP address for PC3 as 10.1.1.4. So see, I am doing the ping test for PC3 from PC0, and see I am getting the reply. That means our connections are alright. Okay, so packet sent is 4, received is 4, and lost is 0. So 0% loss. Okay, so our connections are alright. So this is how we can create or simulate a simple local area network in Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you guys.